My husband just brought this gas because the other one supposed to soon finish. So I always try to full it up before the next one finish. So yeah, I'll cook some dinner now. Then last sent yam for me because I'm tired alright, so I'm begging piece of yam. So yeah, thank God I have to cook rice today again. See, dust up the floor. So I came back from Christiana. This is not a grocery shopping. The previous vlog I would have mentioned that I just came back from Mandeville. So I just stopped to buy these. I wanted tomato to put in my saltfish. So I bought this, but I ended up buying these two Irish because I never sure much yam I will get. So I just put the Irish with it. I might still do it, I might not. But yeah. And a case of water. It's Friday and you guys know what time it is, right? Grocery shopping time, supermarket time. So yeah, I'm just heading out now. It's in the afternoon, it's in the evening, it's about a few minutes past 4. Not going to pick up a lot of stuff, so I should be back very soon. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Hope you guys are having a great day. Of course I'm not wearing anything fussy. But I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm wearing these shoes, Reebok. My husband bought this for my birthday, which was on the 30th of December. Me even did plan for vlog. That day, and I didn't do anything special, you know. I was home and then I went to the supermarket. Nothing special. It was a Friday. But even if it was a chill birthday, I was going to vlog it. I planned on vlogging it, but I didn't. So yeah. I didn't want the fee $6.50 a pound. Can I get 2 pounds, please? Yes, please. Give me cow skin. Tell me one, please. Huh? Small. How much should
stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along. even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. I've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are.
So they don't have the bun that I normally buy, so I bought this last week. It was okay. I think this is the same brand that I normally buy, but it just look different.
I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late.
And here feel flat.
No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away.
I can get 25 pounds of rice, please. Thank you.
I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain.
I wonder if I want more. Yes, I didn't write a list as usual. I normally write list. I think more not much. As I had told you all, I will not be picking up a lot of stuff. There's some stuff that I ran out of. So yeah. Oh, we need one air freshener. The good thing me come back around here. A spray. This one is Fresh Waters. Magnolia and Cherry Blossom. No, me need to get one Lysol. Yeah. But I don't think they have the one I want. A Lysol. Want to clean the bowl. As you almost finished. Hope y'all are hearing me. What is this? Disinfectant. No, I don't want that. Let me go take this one. Thumbnail. Not a lot of stuff. Let's see how much money they know if we don't enough something. We'll see. Still check one trolley even though I'm not full it because I can't bother for carrying nothing in my hand. So yeah. Guys, as you see my cash already, but me turn back, me go buy 1 gallon of oil in here. I never remember. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.